in this video we're going to be talking about diet plans to gain weight, to lose weight, PCOS और PCOD से related questions भी होंगे और थोड़े से diet and lifestyle changes that you guys can make to have a healthier lifestyle. Hi guys, what is up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. आज का वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग और बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होने वाला है. आई रियली मीन दैट, क्योंकि आज का वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू पीपल, बोथ गाइज एंड गर्ल्स, who are looking for some diet and nutrition tips in their life. So if you guys didn't know, I have been on my weight loss journey since a while now और मैंने अभी तक 8.5 kgs lose कर लिया और काफ़ी inches भी lose कर लिए हैं. And everyone who sees that and who has seen my progress has been asking me कि मैंने कैसे किया है, who have I been consulting and what kind of lifestyle changes have I made, मेरी diet क्या है, etc. And the reason behind my weight loss and all my dietary tips is Rita Aunty, who is basically my dietitian and my nutritionist. And she has very kindly agreed to come on my channel and help all of you guys with all of your questions. तो थोड़े वीक्स पहले मैंने आप लोगों से पूछा था कि आप मेरे से क्वेश्चंस पूछो जो मैं उनसे पूछूंगी about all your doubts about diets and weight loss, weight gain and all of that. और आप लोग ने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे. तो रीटा आंटी इज वेरी काइंडली अग्री टू आंसर ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस इन दिस वीडियो. तो इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं वेट लॉस, वेट गेन, सैम्पल डाइट प्लान्स, PCOS, PCOD एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, कुछ खाने का ले आओ और अच्छे से एंड तक ये वीडियो देखो because all your questions are going to be answered in this video. And if you're wondering who Rita Aunty really is, she's basically a clinical nutritionist who has also been practicing as a freelance dietitian and nutritionist in the past 20 years. She has a lot of experience. And along with that, right now she's working professionally with a leading research organization. Just ke liye she is the clinical nutritionist for them. And along with that, she also deals with hyperdiabetes, PCOS, PCOD, obese people, and sports people also. She has a lot of experience and she knows what she's talking about. So hopefully आप सबके सारे questions answer हो जाएंगे. And if you still have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below and I can do a part 2 with her as well. So yeah, now without any further blabbering, I'm going to quickly handle the video to Rita Aunty.
Intermittent fasting or any kind of fad dieting is not good. Why so? Because it's not based upon the holistic health approach or it is not based upon our body's prakriti. हमारी बॉडी डिज़ाइन ही नहीं हुई है इस तरह से so many hours भूखे रह करके फिर आप 1 hour का विंडो पीरियड दो कि you can eat each and everything in 1 hour and then again go for fasting for 8 hours or 12 hours or 16 hours. There are 3 kinds of intermittent fasting, ways of intermittent fasting. Every type of intermittent fasting is really bad. We cannot put our body under stress, right? We need water, we need minerals, we need vitamins, we need carbohydrates, we need fats, proteins, and on regular interval. So that dieting is not good. It's not nutritionally balanced diet. Instead of this intermittent fasting or any kind of fat dieting, balanced nutrition पे focus होना चाहिए. So go for balanced nutrition. If your diet is balanced, then you won't gain weight. If you are on leaner side, weight कम है, you will gain weight. If diet is nutritionally balanced, then everything would be in balance. So what we should eat if we are facing PCOD or PCOS? Number 1, we have to change our eating habits. Eat whole wheat, bajra, jowar, ragi, the different variety of cereals, and try to cut down the gluten. Gluten means eat less wheat or gluten-free food. I would not say, but yes, cut down the gluten portion in your diet. You can check Google also, or we will upload some videos on gluten-free diet also. So try to cut down the gluten and add flax seeds. Yes, flax seeds in your diet. You can add flax seeds in your chapati. You can add flax seeds in your vegetable. You can add it in your smoothies, or you can eat as such. So flax seeds are very good for PCOS or PCOD. And one magic drink is also there, that is moringa leaves juice. Moringa or drumstick, or we can say it saragwa. Saragwa leaves, drumstick leaves are really magic. Take 10 to 12 green leaves of moringa and add some water, crush it and just drink it in the morning. And one more thing is there, jasmine tea. Jasmine tea is also very good to control the abdominal cramps. So whenever you feel the period is due, like it's about to come in 2-3 days, start taking jasmine tea. The best time to take jasmine tea is mid-morning around 11ish or 4ish as evening snack. Do these few remedies and you will get results. So एक वंडर ड्रिंक मैं शेयर करती हूँ, ये 7 days पीना and you will feel the miracle in your skin. What is it? It is 1 kiwi, half katori of mint, half katori of coriander and 2 spoons of chia seeds. Churn all these things and make a juice. This juice should be taken with 1 apple. This should be your breakfast. Apple and this juice will do wonders. Try it and let me know your reviews about it. So sample diet plan is nutritionally balanced diet of a day. What should it be? Number 1, in the morning 1 glass of water, plain water, simple. Then 8 to 10 almonds. It should be soaked overnight and peeled with skin. We should not eat almonds with skin actually. Then breakfast. In breakfast you can have 1 protein rich dish. It can be cooked sprouts, or it can be sprout salad, or it can be moong dal ka chila, or it can be paneer ka paratha, or it can be paneer sandwich with whole wheat bread or multigrain bread, or it can be some poha with few cubes of paneer. So with 1 citrus juice. So this would be your breakfast. And midday meal around 11:30 should be some immunity booster. Because of this COVID era, we have to take care of our immunity. What we can take at 11:30? We can have jasmine tea, or we can have herbal tea, we can have cinnamon tea, we can have black lemon tea, or we can have milk with turmeric powder, milk with cinnamon and pepper, black pepper, with few immunity booster fruits. What are they? Cherries or plum, pear, peach, oranges, or watermelon. Watermelon is very rich in glutathione, and that glutathione is essential nutrient for skin and for immunity purpose. Then lunch, 2 chapati, dahi, dal, some green vegetable, salad. This is a perfect balanced lunch. Then around 4ish, that is the perfect time to have proteins. तो हाफ कटोरी के जितना ड्राई फ्रूट मिक्स आप खा सकते हो, 1 ग्रेनुला बार आप खा सकते हो अगर आप बाहर हो तो, 1 कोकोनट वाटर वहाँ पे आप पी सकते हो, मौसम्बी का जूस पी सकते हो, पाइनएप्पल खा सकते हो, लेमन वाटर आप वहाँ पे पी सकते हो. इफ़ यू आर एडिक्टेड टू कॉफ़ी और टी देन यू कैन हैव दैट ऑल्सो, बट विद दैट ग्रेनुला बार और 1 ड्राई फ्रूट का मिक्स कुछ भी. एंड आफ्टर दैट डिनर, at night, everyone should have turmeric, kesar, black elaichi, that is moti elaichi, and choti wali green elaichi, milk. तो ये मसाला milk will take care of your calcium levels, your micronutrient deficiencies, and it is a very good immunity booster also. if your food is rich in essential fatty acids, it is rich in proteins, it is rich in zinc also, and carbohydrate is also balanced, then you would gain height and weight. तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हम क्या खा सकते हैं? कैश्यूज, आमंड्स, पम्पकिन सीड्स एंड वॉलनट्स, पिस्ता, इन सब का मिक्स करके एक हम पाउडर करके रख लें. दिस 1 spoon of this powder with 1 banana and 1 glass of milk in the morning. It should be in your breakfast. So what would happen? इससे आपको जिंक, कैल्शियम, प्रोटीन, जितने भी माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट, मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स हाइट एंड वेट गेन के लिए चाहिए वो सब मिल जाएंगे. प्रोटीन मास इंक्रीज होगा, मसल मास इंक्रीज होगा. दिस शुड बी इन योर डाइट. जस्ट add this much of quantity of nutrition in your diet and you will see the magic. You can have foxtail nuts, that is makhana, tal makhana भी बोलते हैं उसे. That is healthiest option. Roasted tal makhana or roasted snacks are always good. Some protein rich snack would be the best late night nibbling snack. And protein should be easy to digest because you are taking at night and after that you are going to sleep. So the type of protein should be easy to digest. So the best option is roasted protein snacks or dry fruits. Dry fruits with some carbohydrates. So granola bar is okay, or 1-2 khajur, dates, anjeer and some almonds, that is good. Or otherwise you can have foxtail nuts, that is the best option. So many hot beverages are there which you can take and during periods to reduce your pain and abdominal cramps. Number 1 is tomato basil soup. Number 2 is tulsi ginger drink. 1 glass of water, 5 leaves of tulsi and a small piece of ginger. Boil it and this herbal drink is really good. And 2 dates, 1 anjeer with masala milk. What masala we are adding in this milk, that is important. We are adding turmeric powder, kesar, moti ilaichi, that is black ilaichi, green ilaichi and cinnamon.
So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that this video helped you. I hope आप सबके सारे questions answer हो गए हो, और अगर नहीं हुए हो तो feel free to leave all of your more questions down in the comments below. If I have enough questions, I can do a part 2 with Rita auntie hopefully. And if you guys want to contact her and consult her, all her details will be down below. She is doing online consultations these days. So hopefully all of you guys who want a professional dietitian to help them, you guys can contact her. She is really great with all her tips and diets. They're very easy to follow and very effective. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did and that this video helped you, please जाके इस video को thumbs up दे दो, go like the video, smash the like button, and also please comment down below with anything you want. It really helps me with my engagement level. So please जाके नीचे comment कर दो, and of course subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And if you guys are already subscribers, तो जाके bell icon भी hit कर दो so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And I shall see you guys next time. Bye.